In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the WooCommerce button color. Whether you're aiming to make your website more visually appealing or just want to match the buttons with your brand's aesthetic, changing button colors can make a significant impact on how users perceive and interact with your site. Let's dive right in. To start, some themes, such as Storefront or Bottega, offer convenient built-in controls for adjusting button colors. If you're using one of these themes, you'll find the process quite straightforward. First, you'll need to access the customization settings built into your WordPress dashboard. So, head over to your WordPress admin area. Once you're there, on the left-hand sidebar, look for and click on Appearance. This will open up a submenu, and here you want to select Customize. This step is your gateway to customizing various elements of your theme without having to delve into any code. Once the customization interface loads, take a moment to orient yourself, because this is where all the magic happens. Now, depending on the specific theme you're using, there are a couple of places you might need to navigate to. Some themes will have a dedicated section explicitly labeled as Buttons within the Customize window. Other themes, specifically those that cater to WooCommerce, might tuck these options under a section named WooCommerce, and then Buttons. Either way, your goal is to locate the settings specifically for button customization. When you get to the correct section, you'll be presented with options to change various aspects of your button's appearance. This usually includes the background color, text color, and the hover color. Let's break down what each of these entails. The background color is essentially the main fill for your button, the most prominent part that users will see. The text color is the color of the text or any icon featured on the button. It's important that this is contrasting enough to ensure readability. Lastly, the hover color is the color that appears when a user's cursor is placed over the button. It's a subtle yet powerful way to create interactivity and guide user attention. Take your time selecting appropriate colors that not only reflect your brand identity, but also provide clear readability and functionality. There are no strict rules, but maintaining a contrast between background and text colors is always a smart move. Once you've made your choices and are satisfied with the look of your buttons, simply click Publish, which is usually found at the top of the customized sidebar. This ensures that all the changes you've meticulously worked on go live on your website for everyone to see and interact with. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to change your WooCommerce button colors, creating a seamless and engaging experience for anyone visiting your site. Feel free to experiment with different shades and see what best suit your design preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.